Rishikesh in one word.
Lots of people.
Colorful.
All right. No. Okay. I try. Let me think. Rishikesh in one word.
I think Rishikesh is a wonderful place. I was originally really scared to come, but I fell in love with the place as soon as I started exploring around and realized how safe it actually is. So, yeah, it's a wonderful place.
Open and like with open arms and loving. So I met some really nice people in the streets, and they're like just always so nice, and you know, they talk to you and it's lovely. I felt so home right away. It was really nice.
Yoga for me became a really important part of my life. So I think that it means to connect to yourself, and that it's like a way of living your life and a path to find yourself.
Yoga for me.
Yoga means a lot of hard work, a lot of fun, yes.
For me, it means being closer to myself and, you know, loving myself more in all kinds of ways.
Well, yoga to me before I came here, I just thought it was like my practice, and now yoga to me is just so much more. It's just connecting with your mind, your body and your soul, and just having that union between all of those things.
There are plenty of animals. There's monkeys everywhere, even more cows.
I've seen quite a few monkeys, mothers with babies, but they kind of just watch and they don't really do anything, just keep to themselves. There's a lot of cows, so you have to watch out for the cow poos. And there's dogs roaming around, but they're harmless, so it makes for nice pictures for the Instagram.
Well, I didn't have a close relationship to the monkeys. The dogs, on the other hand, we saw some really funny things. So be prepared to see lots of monkeys, lots of dogs and lots of cows. And I really loved seeing so many cows and dogs running around in the streets. They don't care if you're there, they just walk. So you have to go away, otherwise you're gonna hit this thing. But it's fun, it's fun.
This school teach you a lot about everything that's very deeper in yoga. It's about the energy, the feeling, and a lot about the philosophy.
First impression, I thought, alright, but the school is lovely, the people, it's a family. Everyone knows each other, and they're all having so much fun together, and you're part of the family. Being here means being part of a big, lovely community that enjoys life and has fun, lots of fun.
Can you cut that out? That's too much, right?
The location is nice because it's out of the town area a bit, so it's off the road, so yeah, it's a little bit of a walk. But it's close by to nice cafes, which is good.
Yashpal is very knowledgeable. Is that an English word? Yeah, right?
He's an amazing person. You can just see it through his eyes and just how he treats you. Like, he's so unbelievably kind. And when he's teaching alignment, I'm not so flexible, so he can modify the postures and he shows you how, and he just really takes the time and like shows you like care and respect towards yourself. So he's a very genuine person, and I've really enjoyed his classes.
We had meditation, which I really liked. So I was most unsure about meditation because for me I have like a monkey mind, it's just floating everywhere. And I think the teacher is really nice and you're going to like the meditations. And it's true, I did. And he just like every every time we finished class, he told us a little story, which was just the best. Like, it just made my day every evening. I was like, yes, story, you know? And I really liked that.
Being here made me realize how good life is and how joyful life can be, that life is not that serious, and I am free and I'm grateful to be here.
I feel more confident in my asanas and my knowledge about yoga. I feel more certain about my way, where I want to go, and I feel like it gave me a lot of self-confidence in the way that I know I can be whoever I want to be, and if I want to be something or somehow, just be it. And you know, that school somehow taught me that. I don't know how or why, but I feel I can be whoever I want, and people will love me the way I am, and that's the greatest gift, I think.
You learn a lot of things that you will never ever read somewhere. It's just something that you feel inside. And of course, it's a combination of everything, like the people you meet here, the teachers you meet here, and just the vibe, you know. So it's hard to explain how it is, but I would definitely recommend this book. Definitely, yeah.
All right, come to Rishikesh
Vinyasa.
Yoga school. It was, I don't know what to say.
I feel wonderful and very balanced, yeah, about being here, and just like happy and grateful, most of all grateful that I had this experience here. Yeah.
It was amazing to be here.
Is that good? Again?